Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will be covering two statistical techniques for calculation manually. First one is one sample t-test and second is paired sample t-test. So we discussed the formula of one sample t-test manually, and that is mu x bar minus t alpha by 2 s upon root n, and x bar plus t alpha by 2 s upon root n. This x bar is known as point estimator, and this whole is known as estimating error. This estimating error is further divided into two parts. First one is t alpha by 2 and second is standard error. Same goes here. Point estimator plus t alpha by 2 standard error, and that makes estimating error. So my first requirement for any question of one sample t-test will be the value of point estimator. Write down the value of point estimator. My second requirement will be standard error. My third requirement will be to calculate the value of t alpha by 2. Then we have estimating error. After that we'll calculate lower limit, and then we will calculate upper limit. This formula of point estimator minus estimating error is known as lower limit, and this formula of calculating point estimator plus estimating error is known as upper limit. Coming to the question, we have a question: a soft drink machine is regulated so that the amount of drink dispensed by the is approximately normally distributed with a standard deviation equals to 1.42 deciliter. Find a 95% confidence interval for the mean of all drinks dispensed by this machine if random sample of 36 drinks had an average content of 22.19. So in question number 4 we have three things. The question has given us the data of three things. First one is standard deviation, which is 1.42 deciliter. Then we have sample size, that is 36, and then we have x bar, which is 22.19. So as you can see that point estimator is x bar and x bar is 22.19. So we have the value of point estimator, which is x bar, equals to 22.19. Then we have a standard error. Standard error ka formula we have s upon root n, s divided by root n. We have s 1.42 divided by root 36 because n is 36. So we calculate this on the Excel sheet. If you can see that, equals to 1.42 2 divided by square root of 36. So we have 0.236, which we will write here in the standard error formula and requirement, 0.236. Then we have to calculate the value of T alpha by 2. So again, for this I'll go to Excel. I click on FX, then most recently used से हटा के मैंने उसको statistical कर दिया, and then I click on T पे जब मैं गया तो मुझे ऑप्शन मिला T.inv या TINV. इस वक्त मेरे एक्सेल पे आ रहा है TINV. आई क्लिक है, ओके किया. इसने मुझसे दो चीज़ें पूछी, एक प्रोबेबिलिटी और एक डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम. प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 0.05. इफ़ यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग TINV without a dot, then the probability will be 0.05, and if you are calculating T.inv, then the probability will be 0.025. डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम का फॉर्मूला मैं आपको बताऊं. डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय न्यू. दिस न्यू is equals to n-1, so degree of freedom equals to 35. So I wrote it here 35 and I click OK. The value is 2.030. So my third requirement is 2.030. Then we have estimating error, and as you can see that estimating error equals to T alpha by 2 multiply by standard error. So T alpha by 2 is third requirement, standard error is second requirement, so it means estimating error equals to T alpha by 2 multiply by standard error. आसान अल्फाज में second requirement multiply by third requirement equals to fourth requirement. So we will calculate it, whatever the value is. (0.236) multiply by 2.030. The answer is 0.479. So I wrote it here 0.479. Then we have the formula for lower limit. Lower limit equals to point estimator minus estimating error. Point estimator is my first requirement, which is 22.19, and estimating error is 0.479. For upper limit, 22.19 plus 0.479. So this will be 21.7 and this is 22.6.